If you have been looking around for a device to help you out with some pain relief, either in your muscles or joints or just pain resulting from a previous injury, and also for the device to have the added benefit of muscle regeneration and also muscle training with the added benefit of a massage function, just if you wanted it, then the EM80 may be something that you would like to look into. In this video, we're going to have a quick look at the EM80 and unbox this. Having a look at some of the features from the outside of the EM80's box, we can see that this is a 3-in-1 device. So we have our TENS technology, which is our transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, and that's going to help out for pain relief. We also have our EMS technology, which is going to be our electrical muscle stimulation, and that's going to be for your muscle training and also muscle rehabilitation. And then we have the massage function, which is going to be just for relaxation and massage purposes. So on the EM80, one thing that makes it special is that it has 8 electrodes and 4 channels powering those electrodes. So if you do need large muscle groups to be accommodated for, then this is the device for you. With it, it also comes with 30 pre-programmed applications, which are listed inside of your user manual for you to target specific groups of muscles around your body. If you are looking for something more customizable, then it also has space for 20 customized programs that you can load into this for you to specify which muscle groups you would like to target. With the EM80, we're also going to see that we have a doctor's function, which will just provide you easy access over to those customized programs that you did have set up. We also have a timer function, so depending on the time that you would like the therapy to go over, it will stick within that time and also make sure that it can switch off within the time that you allocate for it. We also have a safety switch off. So after a few minutes of inactivity, it will notice that it is inactive and automatically switch off, keeping the device and everyone else around the room safe. With this, it also has a 5-year guarantee. So if there are any manufacturing defects with it, you can come back to us and let us know so that we can help you out from there. So with the EM80, we haven't got rechargeable batteries inside of it, but we do have it powered by 3 AA batteries that will be replaceable as and when you need it. Let's get into this and find out what comes included inside of the packaging. Now that we have everything unpackaged, we can have a look at it. So we have our case right here, a silky hard material on the outside and a soft felt material on the inside with enough compartments for you to keep the different components of the EM80 inside of. Next, we have our user manual, which is going to be really important. It will teach you how to set up the device for the first time and also to make the full use of all of its functionality. There are also diagrams in here which show you how to place the electrodes depending on which program you have it set on. We can see that we also have our electrode cables right here, which are color coded so that you know which channels are going where, which is always a very handy thing to have. And we also have our AA batteries. So 3 AA batteries will be powering this device. And if you are going to replace these, try to look for something like an Energizer Max AA battery to replace them with. We can see that we also get the electrodes with these, and these will be 4 electrodes in here and 4 electrodes in here. And if you were to get a replacement for these electrodes, you can come through to our online store, omninela.co.za, and search for EM80 in our top search bar, and you should have it recommended to you for you to purchase. Next, we have the device itself, and here we can see that this is definitely not going to be a device that you can keep on your hip, on your belt. It will be a desktop device and has the very grip intensive feet to prove it. So a very strong bolt on this, and it's going to be a plastic bolt all the way around with a gloss finish. Functionality buttons here with our channel intensity buttons here. A good screen size that will indicate all the information that you'll need from it. And other than that, we haven't got any ports on the sides other than the back. We'll have the connectors going into these 2 ports in the back side of it, and we've also got our battery compartment right here. So that will be it for the EM80 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.